This is $20 in my account, and trust me when I say this has to be the best survey website here in Ghana. Just in case you are watching from other African countries, I am boldly saying this has to be the best in other African countries, because you create an account today and you are able to earn $3 for free. Let's say it has a quiz for everyone, so you participate in this quiz and you get paid as well. And maybe let's say it rains, you take your bucket. Even if it doesn't rain, take your buckets right now after watching this video, go out, maybe if you have any well, fetch water inside, take a picture, and you get paid $2. I am not telling lies. I am confidently saying this is $20 in my account, and this has to be the second time I'll be withdrawing. And everyone will be wondering, because they'll think, oh, maybe the payment method is through PayPal or something and it's not available here in Ghana. I am telling you that you at home today can withdraw to your mobile money, because you know why? This application is in partner with Circle, and Circle is the organization that own USDC, right? And USDC is equally on Binance. I have done 1,000,001 Binance videos on my channel. So if you're not on Binance, I don't know what you are on right now. So whenever it gets into your Binance account, you can use the P2P and get it into your mobile money very, very easy. So you might be asking, how do I get started and everything? The thing is that before everything, I have a Telegram channel, and that is why I mostly drop all the updates. So if you're not on that Telegram channel, I'm sorry, but you are missing a lot. And guess what? There'll be more updates coming as well. So you'd have to subscribe. We're on the way to 50,000 subscribers. So join the team right now. Subscribe and comment something right now. Don't you guys miss me? Come on, I miss you too. So comment something, boom, or anything, and you're all good. So this application has to be good war, and the exciting thing is that the link in the video description has got you. So use the link in the pinned comment or the video description and make sure to create an account. After you're done creating an account, it's not so difficult. You just need your few details, and with this one there is no like verification needed, any ID, something normal, you are good to go. So after you're done, you can now start with the tax, right? The thing is that once you use my link and you finish your first tax, you are immediately rewarded with $2 for free for using the link. That is from me to you for this new month, Charlie. Normal, you have to go there and be proud, right? So you know what I'll do? I'll take you up to my phone screen and give you all the hidden tips and tricks you need to know about this application. And as I said, this is just the first of many, so do well to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel. That is the most important thing. I equally have a WhatsApp channel, just in case you want to join that one. I'll also leave the link as well, and follow for more tech tips. My name is Clifford, and I'm signing out. Boom. Alright, so this is the app right here. When you create an account, this is the interface you should see. I'm going to tell you what to look out for, but when you create an account, there are some constant ones every new person should do, just like this one. This is something that is constant for you. So when you create an account for fresh, come and look for learn to earn or whatever it is. With this, you earn free $3. And as you can see, there's some days here. In 27 days, this particular tax will expire, so meaning you can't do it again. So you come and click earn $3 USDC. Then you wait for it to load. Before you click anything, this is what to check. You click on the show more right here, and you have to make sure to read everything and make sure it works best for you. So there's $3 right here, and as you can see, challenge opens on 14th March, and winners will be announced on the 30th of May. And you have to get at least 80% or higher. With this one, AI can help you, right? So all you have to do is to just watch this right here, and after that, you click on take part, then you're good to go. AI can help you do everything. It can even get 100 over 100, right? Let's put this aside. Let's go through. This is the first one every person should do if you create an account. This is the second one you have to do. So you click on earn $2, and as you can see, you click on show more right here. So as you can see right here, can you save and reuse 10 liters every day? So as you can see right here, so make sure to read the terms and conditions right here, and after that, you earn $2 for every qualified person, and if you top the leaderboard, you earn $100 additional. So I'm going to try this right now, right? So let's click on, so you can scroll down and see that people are actually taking part in it. So someone just posted a picture of him collecting water. Don't go and download any random internet picture on the internet. It doesn't work. So click on take part right now, and after that, I click on got it. I would go to plus right here, and I think I have a picture of right here, right? So I'll just use this picture, and I'll do liters of water. Let's do 12. Let's do 13. Then we click on next. Then change look. So you click on save right here, and I think we're good to go. Then you just write, let's say, saving plants. Sorry, plants right here. Then you click post. Then click and hold. So I think I would have to, okay, I think I'm good to go. So right now I've added mine, and on the whenever it is time for them to announce the winners, I'm definitely going to win because I have added mine, right? So let's go back and see what we can do as well. We also have a referral program ongoing where if you get your boys on board, you can cash out $2 as well. That was just, by the way, this is like how to earn real cash from this thing, right? So you scroll down, you scroll all the way to the right, you scroll to the right, and as you can see, plant a tree and you earn $10. This is where we are talking real money, right? So you click it and you scroll all the way, you wait for it to load a little. My internet is misbehaving, so you click show more, and as you can see, this is what you have to note the most: the price pool. If you see that the price pool money is big, then meaning it is enough for everyone. If the price pool money is small, then maybe too rich. So as you can see, 500 winners, so there's enough. Everyone can win some $10. Actually, $10 like 150 cedis, so that is like enough. So you scroll the way down, as you can see, people are planting. They've taken, what did they need from us? A picture or a video. That is all. A picture or a video. You plant, you go to your backyard and you click take part, and that is all. You are good to go. If you stay around the beach as well, you can as well go and pretend as if you are cleaning the coast, and you cash out as well. And as you can see, it doesn't end there. We have AI basics where they'll teach you things about AI. Then after that, you fill a quiz, and if you are good to go, you're all good, right? So this is everything, and this is the big one for the big boys, which is like crypto. You can earn up to $100. So they give you a link to create an account, you verify, you do some things, and you're all good, right? So let's look at how to withdraw, which is like the most important thing for you guys. So you click right here, and as you can see, I have $20. The minimum withdrawal is $25. So after you're done, you click on withdraw right here. Then it would give you the page to enter your USDC wallet. So you go up to Binance, then you copy it, and you come and place it here, and you're all good. So you have to read the withdrawal requirements, right? So you need at least $25. You need to confirm your phone number, profile picture, date of birth, and that is all, right? So Charlie, it is all good. And the thing is that once you create an account with my link, I think you'd have the option to text me as well. So anything you have about this application, just let me know, and I'll be at your service as well. So Charlie, as you can see, I've been sending my tax right here. I sent a post from Sweatcoin, and I got paid. There's actually a post that is paying us to work. I didn't know if I was this is it, work for climate. Let me do that right now as well. So you just go to Sweat Wallet. So let me do that right now. I'll go to add media. I didn't know where I have that screenshot, but I think I have it somewhere here. Good. So this is the screenshot, and as you can see, let's just add hashtag work for climate. Okay, good. Work for climate. Then we click post, and that is all. Your post is live. When it is time, I will get paid. Very, very easy. So go off, try it, just in case you